Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, and today I have another book of the month unboxing to share with you guys. I have been thoroughly enjoying Book of the Month Club. It is by far one of my favorite monthly subscription boxes that I have ever had. And the reason for this is because, first of all, it's incredibly affordable. At $14.99 a month, I can get a hardcover book, and I really spend a lot of time deciding which book I want to choose from their selected 5, and I really get excited for the first of the month to have the ability to pick that book. So quickly, in case you are new and you have no idea what Book of the Month Club is, if this is your first time visiting, Book of the Month Club is a monthly subscription box. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I just really look forward to unboxing this with you guys every month. So it is a monthly subscription box where you choose a book, like I said, from a selected 5. And also what they have been doing recently is allowing you to also choose from another selection of just subscriber favorites if you do not like any of the 5. And that's been working out wonderful for me, and I'm really excited to share with you what I ended up getting this month. And a special thank you to my YouTube friends Stacy and Jen. Because of them, I was able to get these 2 books. I have a promo code below. If you use the promo code, you get your first book at a very inexpensive discounted rate, and I get a free book. And currently, that is the only way I am getting books. So if I skip a month, or if you guys don't see me doing an unboxing, it's because I did not have any referrals, and I am really trying hard to stop myself from spending so much money on books, because I definitely have a book addiction right now. So thank you so much to my friends Jen and Stacy for allowing me the ability to receive these 2 books. I think I got 2 books this month. Okay, so let me open this up and show you what is inside. Okay. I have really been wanting this book for the longest time. I have heard so many great things about it. It is the Star-Crossed Sisters of Tuscany. I feel like this is going to be a really great spring-summer read. This is by Lori Nelson Spielman, and I believe it is a story about sisters. Since the day Filomena Fontana cast a curse upon her sister more than 200 years ago, not one second-born Fontana daughter has found lasting love. This sounds very much like the books that I have recently read by Alice Hoffman, Magic Lessons, also kind of like about a cursed family, and they have a hard time finding love and all of those things. So it seems like it's that same kind of theme. Some, like second-born Amelia, the happily single baker at her grandfather's Brooklyn deli, claim it's an odd coincidence. Others, like her sexy, desperate-for-love cousin Lucy, insist it's a true hex, but both are bewildered when their great-aunt calls with an astounding proposition. If they accompany her to her homeland of Italy, Aunt Poppy vows she'll meet the love of her life on the steps of the Ravello Cathedral on her 18th birthday and break the Fontana second daughter curse once and for all. And I think this is about family relationships and obviously traveling in Tuscany. It sounds like it's going to be a really fun read, and I belong to the Facebook page for Book of the Month Club. Once you're part of the club, you can be a member of the Facebook page, and everyone gave this book at least 4 or 5-star reviews and had so many great things to say about it, which is why I really felt the need to order this one. So I think it's going to be a really fun read. Okay, and the second book that I selected, partly because of the cover. Look at how pretty this cover is. This is A Rogue of One's Own by Evie Dunmore, and this is the second book in, I guess, what is kind of a series. I purchased the first book a couple of months ago, and this is Bringing Down the Duke, and I really, really enjoyed this book so much, and look at how pretty they look side by side. The covers are phenomenal. I love this one with Big Ben in the background. Isn't that really pretty? Oh, look at the back. I didn't even notice. So the little cat, adorable. And these are historical fiction romance, which I really, really enjoy. Some of the characters in the Bringing Down the Duke book are carried on over into A Rogue of One's Own from what I read. So I think this is going to be another great historical romance. This one says, a lady must have money and an army of her own if she is to win a revolution. But first, she must pit her wits against the wiles of an irresistible rogue bent on wrecking her plans and her heart. And I'll just read you the synopsis of Bringing Down the Duke. This one was really good, a little bit steamy, but it was a great love story. A daring Oxford rebel takes on a powerful duke in a love story that threatens to upend the British social order. So this was another great one, and I'm excited to read the second book. So those are the 2 books that I ended up getting this month. Really, really enjoying my experience with Book of the Month. I wish they would sponsor me. Why don't they sponsor me? But anyway, I thoroughly enjoy getting their books every month, and I am just, I don't know if you guys can see my books back here where I have like all of my Book of the Month Club books all lined up. They look beautiful. There are quite a few that I haven't gotten to yet, but what I can say is all of their books thus far have been really quick and easy reads for me, so I don't feel like overwhelmed with the amount that I have right now, because I know I will get through them quick. And a lot of them I purchased intentionally for the spring and summer because I am a seasonal reader. So there are certain things, such as this book, that I really want as like a beach read. I could just see myself, you know, laying out on the beach reading about Tuscany. It flows very nicely. So that's kind of how I plan out my reading for the year, and I love really expanding my library, and my bookshelves are really looking amazing back there, and I'm really happy that I have the ability to do this inexpensively every single month for as long as I can. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you are a member of Book of the Month Club or any other type of book subscription boxes, because I would really be interested to learn about other ones as well. Although I do need to calm down with my, you know, book buying binges. I hope that you guys are all doing well. If you did enjoy this video and would like to see more like them, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you all really soon. Take care. Bye.